The story yemutambiri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa's interview. But now the President Emmerson Mnangagwa said he don't feel intimidated. Kana iye achivoda kungopasa anything kana kuda kungoita anything, just do it. It's not like he has to be influenced or be intimidated by some other people. Sara pena mashoko zara nasa tukona kuti yes, we are seeing that most of the people, even from our comment sections and the likes, good people, they are not happy about the constitutional amendments. But today we decided to make a video. Timboona vamwe vanokwa kunzi who are in support nema constitutional amendments vakomana vevision 2030 panguva ino tombouya timboona their points what they are suggesting. Sara pena masvika nomudanyikwa panguva ino nablabi panhau constitutional amendments, he is in support of them. Timboona side row mopinda comment section imene motodza kuti what do you think with what we are going to read right now. Don't subscribe or like but on the bell icon. Timna pa ndio blabi nasa nomuda wanyora achiti I have not listened to or watched the few interview. Where can I get it? I'm not sure about the part that says I don't feel intimidated claim, but I beg him on cap 3. I know it doesn't make sense to many. Cap 3 is the argument that separates men from boys. If you get stuck in the immediate short term of him being the beneficiary, you will not find anything relevant in it. If you cast Zimbabwe's future 10 to 100 years from now, Cap 3 is a good, positive constitutional amendment. You just have to rise above the over lawyering in the opposition. Ndo mashikana toka pana blabi achiti panguva ino Cap 3 iri kuseparata boys from men. Also ari achiti it is the good move panguva ino kana tikazotarisa nyika yeZimbabwe's future from 10 to 100 years. Munoti kudii pamusoro pevakomana vevision 2030 ava what they are suggesting. Ina comment section medu zofungura enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.